Sbarduno twf eich busnes gyda Cwyain. Mae ein cyfleoedd prawfasnachu yn galluogi busnesau i ddatblygu a thyfu trwy gael mynediad i farchnadoedd newydd. Rhoddwyd cyfle gan Cwyain i 8 busnes newydd i arddangos eu cynnyrch yn y Ffair Aeaf ar faes y sioe frenhinol.
So we're here today with Cwyain. It was really important for us to have the help from Cwyain just so we know what to expect. And we've sold a lot of our gift boxes today, so we can mix and match any flavours. And they're really good for Christmas presents or Christmas Eve boxes. And yeah, they've been really popular today. Had we have gone into this without the help, then we would have been really kind of overwhelmed, I guess, and not really know what to expect. So now that we've had the platform from Cwyain, we're more likely to come to this with a bit more confidence. And yeah, we definitely would come again.
So in the summer we did the Royal Welsh test trading, which is a really good introduction to being at a show. So we've made lots of great contacts, sold lots of wine, and yeah, it's a really good few days. Since the summer we decided to come back on our own stand because we enjoyed it so much.
We've done really well so far. It's great to meet people. I love the reaction of people when they taste the product, you know, and they go, oh my God, that's amazing. That's really great for me. Obviously we want to sell some as well and make some money. I think there was 25,000 people here last year, so some really great exposure, not just to sales, but to people who get to know your brand. They see you here. There's a lot of kind of agents here as well, people that buy for various things. I've had quite a few people from farm shops and small supermarkets come and, you know, where can I buy your product? How can you deliver it to me? That sort of thing. So yeah, been really great exposure, really great. And we'll probably have our own stand here next year. We've done the 2 with Cywain now. We did the summer event as well, which we did very well at, and we've now done this one. So I think that's led us on to the next step to give us the confidence to have our own stand. So I think it's given us the confidence really to do a lot more of these.
Os gallai eich busnes elwa o gefnogaeth Cwyain, mae croeso i chi gysylltu â ni drwy ein gwefan, ar y cyfryngau cymdeithasol neu drwy e-bost cwyain@mentera.cymru.